Hi everybody. I understand there are some questions out there about the about how to use the forecast tool, and that's actually the easy part. The challenge is trying to interpret, compare what the Google tool says, the Google search tool compared to the Excel forecast tool. Okay, that's the part that's a little bit hard. So just to show you how to do it, the first thing that you would want to do is select the data. Where's my data? Select your data. So you need the date, okay, because it needs like date points so that it knows that these are like equally spaced. That's what it needs to know. And I've got total costs here and operating income. That's what it wanted. So I'm going to select the data, and then you just go to, hold on a second, go to the data tab, and then over here, it's gone. Where'd it go? It's right here. There's a, maybe some insert. The chart is there for the, hold on a second, wait a minute. Okay, sorry, it was outside of the window that I had here. But you should see under the data tab, if you go to, there should be a forecast area here. Okay, and there's the forecast sheet. So I've selected my data, and now I'm going to hit the forecast sheet. Yeah. Did it do it? Let's see. Forecast sheet, there it is. And it created a worksheet forecast, and the forecast end is 4/23. You can look at different options down here. Here we've got it giving us a 95% confidence interval. So we can be, like 95% sure that the result of the forecast would end up in this range. Okay? All right, so that's all there is. Now, what the question wants you to do is to take this chart and compare it to what the Google forecast said, and then like if you were at work, let's say, and you've done these two forecasts, and you had to make a decision about which one was the best one. Okay, which one would you go with? What kind of things would you look at? All right, that's what the problem is really about. Okay. If I'm missing the mark here and what's confusing you, let me know. All right, but it's something that you just have to think about, and think about what makes up a good forecast. Okay? All right. Hope everything's settled down for you. I got pretty busy here, so, and ended up traveling, and it just got back a couple days ago. So, okay? Okay, see you soon.